What is going on, guys? And today we're going to be removing the plastic cover from the mirrors. Particular car is the E93, but that job going to be suitable for any E-series cars, whichever have the same type of gap. I also going to tell you what not to do, because I did remove the driver's side and there are a couple tabs are broken in there, and actually the passenger side also was removed because one of the tabs missing might be more. But the job itself, it's extremely easy. Only thing you need, it's a plastic tool. If you want, you can add a little bit of the duct tape on the edge of the painted or finished surface or the actual cover. But you basically get in your tool and put it right in between of those edges, kind of twist it. What that does, basically there are 4 tabs inside and they hold in the mirror. If you got really lucky and you have a little opening in between, you can keep prying. Why do you want it to kind of twist it and push the cover direction, the top's already falling, to the outside direction? Because there are a bunch of small pins and all of them are broken here. But all of that stuff, all of those pins supposed to be intact and they supposed to hold the edge here. The 4 main clips, which is at the center, they just slides in, and all the pins which is goes around, they basically hold in that outer cover from slapping back and forth. To install the cover back, you simply need to align it, and I find myself to fish the bottom portion first and aim it for the outer edge or the inner edge, and basically you gotta feel if the tabs inside got onto the position. So if you hear that clicking, means all of the tabs are going straight into it, and the only thing left is basically pry it hard enough to lock all of those pins in there. After all, make sure the edges are kind of intact. Even that one for right now seems to be pretty fine because it doesn't have any slack in there or whatever. So I kind of satisfied with the results. As you've seen, that was really easy. You just gotta make sure whenever you're trying to remove it, you just pry it straight out, not trying to get underneath of the plastic. As far as you push something in between of the mirror, the body of the mirror and the plastic cover, you're gonna snap all of those pins, and it's not gonna be a bummer because the 4 main clips are at the center. You're not gonna break them, as far as you're not gonna be doing even more stupid stuff. But if you like it, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you next one.